let's look at this question. A certain amount of work can be completed by 20 people in 100 days, working 12 hours a day. 5 people started the work and started working from the second day. 7 people joined at the beginning of each day. Every alternate day, starting from the third day, 2 people left at the beginning of that day. If each person worked for 2 hours per day, then what fraction of work was not completed after 60 days? Okay, so the first thing I see is initially people were working 12 hours a day. Now they are working 2 hours per day. So instead of taking this as 12 hours, I'll take this as 2 hours per day. And therefore the number of people would now become 120 people in 100 days. So the total work that we're dealing with is 12,000 units. Total work that we're dealing with is 12,000 units. I don't need to care about hours per day, just the people now. On the first day, 5 people worked. On the second day, this is day 1. On day 2, 7 people joined, so 12 people. On day 3, 7 people joined, but 2 people left, so you have 17 people. On day 4, again 7 people joined, so 24. On day 5, 7 people joined, 5 people left, sorry, 2 people left, so 29. On day 6, again 7 people joined, 46. So on and so forth. This would keep on happening till the 60th day. Now what I want you to focus on is the first day and the last day. Focus on the first day and the last day. Can you see 5 plus 36 is same as 12 plus 29 is same as 17 plus 24? You are getting 3 groups. When you're looking at just the first 6 days, you are getting 3 groups of identical work done on each day. So when you're looking at 60 days, day 1, work done on day 1 plus work done on day 60, this group would happen 30 times. So all you have to do is figure out how much work was done on day 60. Now for every day, can you see plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7. So for every day, what is happening is you're increasing it by 7 first, then by 5, then by 7, then by 5. In order to reach from day 1 to day 60, can you see you would need 59 changes? 59 changes. Of these 59, 30 changes would be of 7 and 29 changes would be of 5. So the work done on the 60th day would be 5 plus 30 into 7 plus 29 into 5. Now 5 plus 29 into 5 is 30 into 5, or overall you get 30 into 12 here, or the work done on the last day is 360 units. So the total work done so far would be 30 into 360, 30 into 360, out of how much work? 12,000 units of work. Sorry, I'm mistaken. This is just day 6, so plus 5 here, this would be in brackets. 30 into 360 plus 5 by 12,000. Let's cancel, cancel. I get 400. I get 365 by 400. I can cancel this by 5s to reach 73 by 80. So 73 by 80 units of work have been done. The question was, what fraction of the work was not completed after 60 days? The answer to the question will be 7 by 80. Now I am worried because the answer is supposed to be theta, and in theta you can only get integral answers, but the final answer that I am reaching here is 7 by 80. So either the question is framed incorrectly or something I have done incorrectly. If you are able to see this video, the question is framed incorrectly. If you are unable to see this video, I have done something incorrectly. You will see.